How you doing? Patrick Malone here with Kickstart Local, and in this video we're just going to do a before and after case study for a local dock building company out of Charleston, South Carolina. What I want to do with this video is just kind of show you the before and after and kind of how we approach our design process, both from an SEO standpoint but also from an aesthetic standpoint that is visually appealing and easy to navigate. So this was the client's old website, which was built on Wix. So I'm currently logged into their Wix platform just to kind of show you what the site looked like prior to us rebuilding it. Now, this is, like I said, this is a marine contractor specializing in dock new construction and dock repairs. And what they wanted to do is compete with the other dock builders in Charleston, South Carolina. So this is kind of a bare bones website that they had up previously. It's 3 pages, so homepage. This was the extent of their service pages. And then if I go actually to look at the service pages, it's essentially the same thing. There's just no content really, kind of going into detail, the different services they offer. So really no way of telling Google fully what they do or giving Google the content to rank properly in the search engines for their various services. And then a basic contact page. So very simple. That's something they put together themselves to get started. One of the first things I look at when we take on a new client is kind of the domain authority of how Google sees the domain, to see if it's aged and kind of get a baseline from an SEO standpoint as far as how easy it's going to be to rank for certain keywords. So there's a few different screenshots here that we did. So you can see here a 1.9 rating. This is out of 100. 1 backlink, 1 referring website. So one of the things when you're doing search engine optimization and planning on a website is you want to build out backlinks, which helps build up your domain rating and domain authority with Google so that you can rank higher. So this was the before. Let's look at the after here. So you see here domain rating is now 28. We've done some off-page SEO, so some of these backlinks are going up. Linking websites, so referring domains are going up. So again, this is just like baseline what we do when we're starting out with a website. Another thing that we look at, there's a MOZ score. There's a couple of these websites which will give your domain kind of like an authority score. So this originally had no data at all, and now we have a domain authority of 17. We have 31 referring domains that's starting to rank for keywords. So again, this site's about a month old. The last kind of baseline metric that we look at is SEMrush, which is one of our SEO tools. So really kind of what I'm looking at is the keywords, number of keywords they're ranking for, which is 5, and then number of backlinks, 3, and referring domains. So compare that to currently, they're ranking for 41 keywords. They have 1,400 backlinks and 141 referring domains. And you can kind of see here, this is where we launched the site beginning of March and the number of keywords they're ranking for. And we'll get back to that in a minute, but let's just jump into kind of the design element. So most of our clients that we work with are local service providers. So we typically narrow it down to a targeted location, their main city. So in this case, it's Charleston. And they want to rank for residential, commercial, marine contractor, and dock builder. So we have that right here at the top. We have the hero video. And then what we would really want is a clear call to action. So when someone comes, we want to tell them immediately, what we offer and how they can get in touch with us. So you can see right here, they can reach out to all our social profiles. They can email us. They can click to call. They can click either of these buttons to schedule a free estimate. Then we go into a little bit more detail about the company, again, emphasizing their target city of Charleston, a little bit about who they are. We provide some kind of unique selling points, what they offer each of their clients, and then go into their services. So what we like to do is list each service and then create a service page around those main services and search terms that your ideal customers would be looking for. So in this case, it's dock construction, dock repairs and maintenance, dock boat lifts, and then floating docks. And then we have a little bit more kind of building authority and trust with some of the manufacturers they work with. how their process works, so how to work with them step by step. And then we kind of link to their Instagram so that people can stay up to date with updated projects and things like that. And then some more testimonials, again, to kind of reinforce social proof and to build that trust. And you can see each of the service pages kind of follow the same format. Again, we want our main keyword or search term here at the top. So premier dock building and construction services in Charleston, South Carolina. Again, why choose Baker Marine Contracting? And then some more of the services, and then kind of the process they go through for building up docks. So this is just additional content to give Google reason to index and rank this page. So we do that for each page. You can see here the dock building construction page, dock repairs and maintenance. So I'll just click on this next one. Very similar process, but we're basically giving Google more content around each service that they provide. So if you want to rank higher in Google, or your website's not ranking for certain services that you offer, you definitely want to go ahead and build out these different service pages and make sure that they're optimized for the on-page SEO. So when I talk about on-page SEO, we're talking about how the site's designed with these keywords. I'll just show you real quick. We have a little bit this tool here. So the title of this page is Dock Repairs and Maintenance Near Me in Charleston, South Carolina. So that's the keyword we're looking for. We have the description again, talking about dock repairs and maintenance in Charleston. And then part of the technical on-page SEO, which is kind of boring for most people, is going to be the H tag. So dock repairs and maintenance, dock repairs, maintenance services. And so we kind of highlight all the different areas of dock repairs and maintenance that they offer, just to give Google a very clear understanding of what this page is about. Then we go over to the view work page. So we have a little portfolio here of some of the jobs they've completed, where they can just kind of click on. All right, so we go over here to the our work page, where we have a little portfolio of some of the different dock projects they have completed, as well as some of the videos that they provided us. Moving on to the about section, again, we're just talking more about the company and the area they service, and then giving them multiple touch points on how to connect with them. So follow on Facebook, follow on Instagram, get a free estimate, and then go ahead onto the contact page. So phone number, email, address, very easy to navigate. We do a map embed for SEO purposes right here, linking back to their Google My Business profile, which helps with their Google Maps rankings. So that's our overall process for designing this particular website, was just to elevate their branding, showcase their work, and then really build out the pages that they want to rank for in Google. And before I close out this video, I do want to kind of go in and show you the search terms that they're ranking for once this site was launched. Again, this updated website is right around a month old, a little bit, maybe 6 weeks since we launched it. So branded term, Charleston Dock Builders, kind of top second page, Dock Builders Charleston, Charleston Dock Builders Charleston, Dock Repairs Charleston. So all those service pages that we've built out, all that content is very, it's done very specifically so that they rank for these search terms that their ideal clients will be typing in and searching for on Google. We got dock repair services, dock repairs near me, boat dock repair. Let's scroll down here. So we got boat lift services, floating dock repair, boat lift installer. Let's see, more boat lift installer, boat lift contractor, boat dock repair. So after a month, they've gotten ranking for 36 keywords. So we'll keep an eye on this, but this will continue to increase as these keywords continue to increase, as they continue to move up. Their traffic's going to increase as well. Let me know if this video was helpful. Again, if you need any help with website design or SEO or just a free marketing audit, feel free to comment below, shoot me a message, and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks.